Hello there, I'm your friendly neighborhood 1800 here and my name is Georgie. Today we are going to look at Rook Forks. I know that they don't look exactly like forks, and with the pawns it's fairly simple to see that with knights as well or with bishops as well, but we have the same concept with a rook. A fork is going to be an attack on two pieces and you can defend both. So the Rook Forks are, I think, the most basic ones, but we started with the pawn ones because they can happen very often in your games in the beginning. With the rooks, the identifying is very easy. Your opponent goes, puts a piece and a second piece on the same horizontal or vertical line, and if you threaten them either both at the same time, like this, or with an X-ray, for example, if we play it here and he plays this way, and it doesn't matter that the king is there, we threaten both and he can't defend them both. If he moves the dark squared bishop, we can take the back one, so it doesn't matter. But in this particular situation, it's going to be just check, he goes on the side, and we take the free material. And that's basically it, there's nothing more to it. It's very simple. Here, it's exactly the same thing. We find a horizontal check, or attack on two pieces, and we will be able to take the bishop. So the identification goes like this. They are on the same horizontal or vertical line. I messed them up. And then if you can deliver a threat or a check to both pieces at the same time, it will be with a rook. So you're going to search for those places. In this case, it's fairly simple. He goes on the side and we take the bishop. Let's try that one again. He tries to escape with his king, and we see the vertical line, the horizontal line. I have no idea why I messed those up. We see that they're in a particular way stationed, so if we deliver the check, then he goes somewhere and we take the bishop. Here, you can do it in a more fancy way. If you see that they're in a right angle, so a 90 degrees angle, you can do the same thing, because your rook doesn't work only horizontally or only vertically, he works both ways, like number 13. You take the bishop and that's it. So you deliver the check and you take something horizontally. You deliver a vertical check and take horizontally. And the last one is going to be this. Our opponent doesn't see that we can deliver this deadly check, or he isn't bothered by it, and allows us to do some nastiness. He says to himself, okay, I go to h5, then I'm going to check you, see what happens, blah blah blah. But in the meantime, we can gain some material. Just check, you go back, and you take the bishop. That's it. Simple as that. And very easy to identify. I hope this helps. I hope you have some suggestions in the comments. What videos should I do next? What topics should I cover? And so on. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.